Charged with driving drunk and killing a 3-year-old child is trying to get evidence that's key against her thrown out of court. Good evening, everyone. Kid is off tonight. Lost in translation. That is one of the arguments lawyers for an accused drunk driver are using to keep her out of prison. Police say 36-year-old Sheba Basabose, a native of Rwanda, was under the influence when she plowed into a mother and 3 children out for a walk. 1 child died. Local 12 News reporter Jeff Hirsh joins us now live downtown with today's court strategy. Jeff.
Well, good evening. The crash happened on McHenry Avenue in Westwood back in October 2012, a long time ago at 4:45 in the morning. This case has been in with motions and continuances, but it finally made it into the courtroom today. Now, police say the defendant blew a .0133 on the intoxilizer blood alcohol machine. The legal limit is .08. Joycelyn Astin and her 3 children were out walking on the sidewalk when a car smashed into them. 3-year-old Rodriguez Taylor was killed. Basabose's lawyer said his client may not have received or at least understood the Miranda warnings because of the language barrier, because she is from a foreign country, and he says that the Miranda warning was not properly done. Also, the defense lawyer questioned how the breath test was given and the qualification of the police officer giving the test. The prosecution and the police said everything was done properly.
This was not just an OBI violation that we were investigating. This was a fatal traffic crash that we were investigating. I had an odor of an alcoholic beverage, bloodshot eyes, she had accent in speech, there was a single car crash, and our own admission to consuming beer.
Now, in a recorded interview between the police and the defendant, which was played in court for the judge, Basabose said she had only consumed 1 beer over the course of the night, and she said that another car came at her on McHenry and that caused her to swerve. Judge Robert Winkler is considering the evidence. He will rule in late May on whether the evidence in this case is admissible against the defendant. Live at the courthouse, Jeff Hirsh, Local 12 News.
Jeff, thank you. Basabose has other potential troubles along with the aggravated vehicular homicide charge. She could also face deportation.